gukira amabati ayo akomenya sigika ayo gucanye warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenya ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo mucyo gobusongo iyo irange neduka ya Safaricom wigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Mwanjo muligerali karibu nande ase kiunga chinsa inye emagoroba lero litukulia lero dalike yamo yomutienyi o gatatu mwaka wa 2025 na ikene kiunga chinsa ibere weekend jeni gongoro kwaro ni ototo nyangiri na nigo tuko chakali muri okakurwa se county ya Nyamira asto kwanjo mna omusa siroto manebwe parish ya Rangenyo Father Bernard Nyangiri niga sendura ende anyakwaga gusegeta abarai kobamo na kwane kibna ngokorera bale abananchi amagendero na karangari boyo gyanya kwaga gusangwa amono yolikoligia ekirogo kyoboga bana se county ya Nyamira umusikete misike moni oyo nyarakabaga gosemia abananchi banyakaba kwenda kurutota amagendero bagenda kwana kaligwa muri geto fatika digesemba nigatwalganira robot yoru hasenjira yaboikirana
okuburia ni okwabwatukirwe gochiase abarai bakira enkencho kwene kyabuna engoikirania bare buya emeremo eria bachikirwe bakorere abantu nonya nigo ebasegeture ko bamaiso ase emeremo yabo erio gwetanga korwazo kwemurungania okonene korwase omwana inchi kubwatekana no burai bwabo obube
abagambi baitunka ibali tiganse meringa no bariga nekera abagambi baguchaga iga ngitinyege nituguna noro mugambi umuikirani onya abantu babo bakona kuyegia yani beyagiri mbako usabo baliete abantu bamindo tigambakani point ya kabere ne libuna twaro bwe no bwamate n'abantu bali bamino nonye kwarangeli ukore moyo nende kwa iruri bagali yokuruka umugambi konya abantu bamenye buya batare buya barare buya nabarobe ubuna bakora tegendoki barasense
engana ejo yabarai koboriwa bakorere abananchi emeremo emia nigo yairwe okoboko no engineer James Kemoni oyoboigo ore oyomo bwabana siasa kurase county ya Nyamira abwasenere amentre na koboria abarai bachorire ritangani koba amo buna enjira eyemo yo wikirania amagenderero ase omwananchi
serikali ya Nyamira ni yito ni tutwanye chorete abarai baito bali bali baigoro na avance ni tutwa bachorete tigato bae ombotoereru bakore gas lakini na baro babe kobo obomo
Omoske Kemoni omochire boigo oboteneneri bwe serikali ye county ya Nyamira kubwatikana no konyorwa gwakana engeria yabakori emeremo abwo bagokora emeremo ase ebunge ye county ya Nyamira
serikali yetu ya Nyamira igoro mwero cy'abantu baita bangi basokira ali bago demonstrate bate bambana kwegwe ikego kyabo osomo sharabo nori ko monto omade ya korere gasi otari ko mwakana ikire kitu tutu yo kora Nyamira tiga tuanchane kiagara abantu bali bakora ali babuata abana babuategesaku bakolenda igo tiga to tatue ine serikali ya Nyamira to ensure our staff and always paid promptly to ensure that we have good services.
Chingaki echecho obasegetire abana inchi na barabwo korotota boikiranu amagenderero yechipara ayo agenderete boikiraniwa ne serikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira ase chiwadi ao una enjira eyemo yokwenekya chipara icho inkomenya chire asingaki entambe
ebikara itambia jete Nyamira bigorune taxi yeito biachire nyama yamate ese wodi ya nyamaya ngokora viregas abantu babinto ebikara kitabiri bigoja chuwodi cheito para bikoros mweni shwe ne para tuaro serigu no mochanga ole standard mokore binto bire boronge ni nuboria maswali ine right yenu nabake ndi nabanyamira
Kingo reporter Gatembe kurwase kinyoro ikiga kya Mongorisi ekyo kegotoka imeye wodi ya Bugichora ebunge ya West Mugirange kaunti ya Nyamira nje Fatigadi Gisemba
Umuraibu ense Mosque William Samoei Ruto nigagenda gusegeta abakenya okiania chingwana chimbe na boigo kumubwatesia asokwanekeria abakenya amagendero Mosque Ruto nigaliko kwana iga chinsemo chia Baringo esanya rakabaga gukirana umuyiga bwo kumwenia omo senator bwe county eyo ya Baringo Mosque nyagosira Mosque William Cheptumo.
We need to be patriotic about Kenya, that yes, we can disagree on policies, programs, on how to implement, but we should never disagree about the destiny of Kenya, that this is our country, all of us. And it doesn't matter who you are, it doesn't matter what you believe in. We share a country, we share a destiny, and if Kenya succeeds, we all succeed. Mwisho kabisa, nauliza watu wa Baringo, huyu ndugu wetu Cheptumo alienda hospitali, na mnajua ya kwamba kama hakuna mpango na taratibu ya sawasawa kwa hospitali, mambo yanaweza kwenda mrama. Na ndio sababu tumesema tuwe na mfumo wa afya ambayo itasaidia wananchi wote bila ya kujali uwezo wao wa kifedha. How we can have universal health coverage that takes care of all Kenyans. I want to ask you that we work together towards making sure that we can take care of our health requirements and we can take care of ourselves. Again, thank you very much to all of you, to the family. Tunawatakia heri, tunawatakia baraka ya Mungu. And as was said by the speaker, whatever it is that will be required of us, Mama Hannah and your children, count on us as
Chingaki chichu mwanju moligereri gatia barai ni gabaikirana ase umuyigo iboko mweni mo senator William Cheptumo na egatia abo no mo senator bwe county ya Narok Mosque Dama Olekina uyibo igo nyarakaba gakubwatoka chingbana ao kubwa mono gukwana ubijabwaye William Cheptumo.
Today is a very sad day, but when I sit here remembering that I've lost a colleague, someone who I got to know, and somebody who is very sober. Leo hii nilipewa nguvu na familia. Nilipoona the widow and the family standing firm, celebrating the life, ile maisha ambaye Mungu amewapatia waweze kukaa na the head of the family, ni kitu ambaye imenipa nguvu. Imenipa nguvu mingi kwa sababu kweli duniani siku zetu ni chache sana. Na wakati nimeketi hapa ndio nimeona hii masiku ni chache kabisa. Your Excellency, leo tuko hapa, kesho tumeenda. Kitu ile ambaye ni muhimu ni hawa watu ambaye wako hapa ili tuweze kuwafanyia kazi. Wakati ile Mungu atatuita wawe watu ambaye watatukumbuka. Tangu juzi nimesikiza vizuri na nikakuja kuelewa position ile ambaye the late Cheptumo alikuwa naye katika Baringo. Mimi najua Baringo County poverty is above the national average. It's almost 47%. Na najua ile shida ambaye iko hapa ni kila siku mgonjwa amegonjeka, Cheptumo anapigiwa simu. Kila siku mtoto hajaenda shule, Cheptumo anapigiwa simu. Na wajua kwamba hata senators wapatiwe hii basari, lakini anaingia kwa mfuko, anatoa, anawasaidia. Mimi hata ningeomba wenzetu National Assembly na Senate tuharakishe maneno ya IEBC, at least kuwe na by election hapa, ndio hiyo void isionekane. Ni kitu ambaye ni muhimu sana. Hii kazi
Gavana bwe county ya Siaya Musike James Orengo ni gabolirie amonjire ta nyara kobaga koregurwa ase kosega korerwa ekatiba kubwatikana amune chingwanda chigenda takwana kiwa kuba muno iguru yeli baga liaye omurai bwe kiama gya ODM oyore omo prime minister omukuru Muskerera Morodinga ase serikali kuba muno yo murai bwe nsomusiguria Ruto yema kitemna prodi based kulinde ni go Musike James Orengo abolirie abake ose abolirie murai bwe nsomusiguria Ruto kwani kubuna ngokorerale abakenya bonsi amagendera kwanjirira konde bwansi gotayo.
We are very proud to be opening the ring road in Akala. We want the status of Akala to rise, to be upgraded, so Akala can also become a town with a board that is going to run the town of Akala. Secondly, yesterday we were very lucky to receive our party leader Raila Amolo Odinga, and he has started on consultations with the people of Kenya. He was in Kisumu the other day. Yesterday he was in Siaya. Tomorrow he is going to be in Busia, and today I think he's in Bungoma. And what we have said, and he has agreed, that we must have a structured relationship. And we don't want to be in Kenya as if we are trespassers or visitors in Kenya. We belong to this land. Kenya is our land. Any president must serve the people of Kenya, despite of where they come from. And that is why we have this new constitution. We don't want the constitution to be deconstructed. The constitution must remain with a vision and
chinga kichechio omurayo yebwe kiama gya ODM nando murai gosemo prime minister mukuru Muskerera Morodinga nigaganda chitaro chiae jinzemo oime ya Kenya ezaganda kuligia ego birengerali na gusanga birengerali na babwatani ao nyuma tararalia egetambukiro kiage gochikobwatia kubwatakana amono kugukwae gosogotanyora wekero keligia Africa Union Commission ekio chikura chiage twe ase ense ya Ethiopia umuchi wa Addis Ababa umutienyi oeta.
I'm moving around the country to consult our people after what happened in Addis Ababa. I am thanking them for standing with me during the period of the campaign, for giving me both moral and spiritual support in that enterprise. And I'm also using it to explain to them the problems that we are facing as Africans in this continent, and also the causes of those problems and the possible solutions to those problems. Not going forward in our country, as you know that we are today at a crossroads. I've listened very carefully to views that have been expressed by those who are here. And I can say that these people have given me a carte blanche. That is a blank check. I can write an amount on it. They have said that they have faith in what we are going to do, and that they will support what we want to do because they know that it's going to be in the interest of our people. They're not going to betray our people in whatever we do. What we do must be something that is done in the best interest of the people of Kenya. Kenya first.
Mwanju muligero na kubwatakana na aria gante kwane kwa chinsemo ao ime na experience ya Kenya umorikito Lucas Mugaka nigo atyaira chinga kiana gukwareganiria enseme liende iyo kurigereria togatabanga italima minimo no asomurobali bomo burera buna ogocha asembeo.
Yes,